In the meantime, is there any one model who wants to share something, or who wants to tell something? Anyone? Let me go to the guys. I'm just going on looking at the girls. Someone said Dhruva. You have a word to share, Dhruva? You can take this opportunity to even thank whoever supported you to walk up to.
I would like to thank the FBB people for selecting me out of 5,000 people around in Bangalore. And thank you for Rukmini for choreographing us. And thank you for all the crew behind us who are helping us to change our dresses and all our things. And thank you for you.
Cool. Thanks a lot, and you guys can walk back and relax. Music as they walk back. No, that's not going to happen. So, anything you would like to ask me, or, in the meantime, I'll actually think, how can I entertain you? So, how many of you basically listen to my show? Really? That's the reason I think you had that great smile. Yeah, you, okay. So, in case you guys have not heard me talking on air, Radio Mirchi is the frequency. Sakat Hot is the attitude, Sudesh is the name, Dilkhush is the show. 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. is the time, and you can enjoy a bunch of love songs that I play for you, and loads of relationship issues being handled on the show. Loads of it. It's been close to 2 years, and I've been talking about love, relationships, and I've reached this level, reached this point of knowledge about relationships that I feel I'm ready to get into one. And the search is on. So that's about me. And in the meantime, I was thinking to entertain you, what if I sing another song? Yes or no? I unfortunately, because of the glares here, can't see you people. I can only see someone's wearing a white shirt, a check shirt, someone's having this ID lace. That's it, I can't see your faces though. I feel confident. Kundan, you want to do something on stage? You want to do something on stage, sir? Anyone here wants to do something on stage? I'm giving an opportunity. Kundan, the sensible thing to do is, when you're not in the right frame of mind, you should not actually try to do something. So let me quickly ask you, what do you have to say about the participants, about the event, quickly?
It was very nice. Actually, I can get biased because one of my friends is right, he's Shashank. Yeah. I seriously hope he wins. Fingers crossed.
So let me go interact with all those people who are standing. Sir, what about was? One day one matter ಹೇಳಿಬಿಡಿ ಏನು ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತು? ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಯಾಕೆ ಓಡೋದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಏನಾದರೂ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಯಾರಿಗಾರು ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ? ನೀವೇ ಓಡೋದು. How I went across to talk to those people. We have to talk to people, interact, and that's called as outdoor broadcast. And let me tell you, every other person runs away, a mile away when I say, hi, ನಾನು ಸುದೇಶ್ ರೇಡಿಯೋ ಮಿರ್ಚಿಯಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರೋದು, would you like to go on air? So that's when I actually think many of you want to be RJs, but I don't know why you guys actually get scared to talk. How many of you here actually want to be RJs? You also want to be an RJ. See, many of you want to be an RJ. There will be this kind of frame of mind and all that, and this kind of experience what I saw just now, when I take the mic and go closer, it's not new to me. So disappointments never happens to an RJ. If not this, then that. I'm creative, let me get back. So that's the attitude. So I just thought of sharing this one thing. So very soon the results will be announced, and one more question just flashed to me. Sorry. So is there someone who remembers participants' names, and anyone who can actually guess who would win? Anyone? Check. Anyone? Sir, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತಾ ಯಾರು ಗೆಲ್ಲಬಹುದು ಅಂತ?
ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಗೆಲ್ಲಬೇಕು
ಸರ್, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಫ್ಯಾಷನ್ ಶೋ ಅಂತಾರ, ಇದನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಅಂತಾರ?
ಆದ್ರೂ ನನ್ನ ಮಗನೇ ಗೆಲ್ಬೇಕು ಅನಿಸ್ತದೆ.
ಲವ್ಲಿ ಸರ್, ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಬಿಂದಾಸ್ ಆಗಿ, ಯಾರು ಬೇಡ ಅನ್ನಲ್ಲ. ನನ್ನ ಮಗನೇ ಗೆಲ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಹೌದು, ನನ್ನ ಮಗನೇ ಗೆಲ್ಬೇಕು ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗನ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ.
ಸಾರಿ, ಹೇಳ್ಬಾರ್ದು.
ನಿಮ್ಗೇನ್ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಬಾಸ್?
ಸೋಹಾ ಅಲಿ ಖಾನ್, आमिर खान ತಂಗಿ सोहा अली खान.
सैफ अली खान.
Hey यार, इसने तो मेरे बैंड को किसी और का बैंड बना दिया. Oh yeah, what is this यार?
ಸೈಫ್ ಅಲಿ ಖಾನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಸೋಹಾ ಅಲಿ ಖಾನ್ ಇದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ
ನಿಶ್ಮಿತಾ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ. ಹುಡುಗಿಯರ ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ಮರಿಬಾರ್ದ್ರಿ ಯಾವತ್ತು, ವಯಸ್ಸು ಹುಡುಗರು ಹುಡುಗಿಯರ ಹೆಸರು ಯಾವತ್ತು ಮರೆಯಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು. ಸೊ to this extent the discussions are going on about who the winner is. Just think how tight the competition is. Let me tell you, I've been observing you since the start. You have this very angry face, and why?
The way I am, it's the way I look. I don't know. Yeah, tell us more about yourself, because you're the RJ and you listen to you on radio, and we also want to know about you in real, like where you studied and more about yourself.
I'm very happy someone at least showed interest to know about me. So ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ನನ್ನ ಕಥೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು, RJ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಕನಸು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ವೆನ್ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 24th 2007 ನನ್ನ ತಾಯಿ ಮಗನ್ನ ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ ನಾನು, ನಿಮಾನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ಇವನ್ನ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು. That was the amount of pain that came out of me. That was the kind of cry that came out, and it lasted for 20 minutes. My mom wasn't here, she controlled, because if she starts crying, I'll cry more. So she was controlling me, consoling me and saying, it's okay, give up. There are many people who gave up. There have been stories when parents said, don't give up. There are many success stories, but my mom said, that's okay, there are many people who gave up. Not only successful people. And that's when Mirchi happened. That's when Mirchi happened, and that day was April 6, 2011. My complicated girlfriend's birthday. So I mean to say the relationship is in a complication. So that's how I became an RJ, after facing close to 8 to 9 rejections. So likewise, even if any of you here secretly want to be an RJ and you have this huge dream in you, be ready to face defeats, and it's gonna be hard. And even after getting into RJing, the big fun started. ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗ RJ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಬಂದು ಕೂತು ಮೈಕ್ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಬಾಯ್ ಓಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮೂಗಾತರ, ಏನ್ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು, ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು, ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ there was a lot of challenge, and radio is not like how you watch TV, cinema, serial, everything is fine, but radio is totally different. And radio no challenge ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, you talk to one person. When you're on TV, you have this thing in your mind that thousands of people are watching you, so you can do your style and all that. But when you're on a radio, when you're on air for radio and you're an RJ, you will only be successful if you talk to one person. I used to do this mistake a lot of times. When you have multiple people in your mind when you speak as an RJ, you will end up emceeing on air. Check. So this is a dialogue in there is a dialogue in Bachchan. ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ದೇವರು ಎಂತೆಂಥವ್ರನ್ನೂ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಕೋಪ ಬಂದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ನನ್ನಂಥವ್ರನ್ನ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? So I'll do it. ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ದೇವರು ಎಂತೆಂಥವ್ರನ್ನ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ರೊಮ್ಯಾಂಟಿಕ್ ಮೂಡಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸುದೇಶ್ ಅಂತವ್ರನ್ನ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಡೈಲಾಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ವೀರಂ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಾ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ತಲೆ ತಿನ್ನಂಗ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ತಟ್ಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ವೀರಮದಕರಿ ಸಿನಿಮಾನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಡೈಲಾಗ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಿಚ್ಚ ಸುದೀಪ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನನಗಿರೋದು ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಆಸೆ ಸರ್, ಸಾವು ನನ್ನ ಕಣ್ಮುಂದೆ ಇದೆ, ಸಾವು ನನ್ನ ಎದುರಿಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ನನ್ನ ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ಭಯ ಇರ್ಕೂಡ್ದು, ಮುಖದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಗು, ನನ್ನ ಕೈ ನನ್ನ ಮೀಸೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಮೀಸೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ನನಗಿರೋದು ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಆಸೆ ಸರ್, ಸಾವು ನನ್ನ ಎದುರಿಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ನನ್ನ ಕಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ಭಯ ಇರ್ಕೂಡ್ದು, ಮುಖದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಗು, ನನ್ನ ಕೈ ನನ್ನ ಮೀಸೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರಬೇಕು ಸರ್. ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲೂ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಬೇರೆ ವಿಷಯ. ಇಂಥ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಇನ್ಯಾವುದಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ರೀ, ಕ್ಷಮಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಸೊ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ exactly 1 minute. So in 1 minute, if someone remembers the names of the participants, who do you think you guys will, who do you guys think will win? ಆಡ್ಬೇಕು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾತಾಡಕ್ಕೆ. ಹಾ,
ಋಷಿಕಾ,
ರಿತಿಶಾ, ಒಳ್ಳೊಳ್ಳೆ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ. ಇಂಥ ಹೆಸರು ಗರ್ಲ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಇದ್ರಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್, ನೀವು ನಿಶ್ಮಿತಾ ಸೋಹಾಲಿ ಕಾಳವ್ರನ್ನ ಬ್ಲೌಸ್ ಪೀಸ್ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ 2 ಬಾಳೆಹಣ್ಣು ಒಂದು ಅಕ್ಷತೆ ಕಾಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ತರ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮಾಲಿಟಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇವಾಗ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅವರ್ ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸರ್ಸ್, ಜ್ಯುವೆಲರಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ CM, C Mahindra Group of Companies, fashion partner FBB Fashion at Big Bazaar, and footwear partner MSL Footwear, and mall partner is In Orbit Mall, and sound partner, to say the radio partner is Radio Mirchi 98.3 FM. ಸಖತ್ ಹಾಟ್ ಮಗ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಸಖತ್ ಹಾಟ್ ಮಗ ಅಂತೀರಾ. ಈ ವೆದರ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ. 1 2 3 ಗೋ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಸೌಂಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಗ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಬರ್ತೀರ ಹತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ, ಆದ್ರೆ ಮಾನಿಟರ್ ಝೂಮ್ ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಅದೇ ಭಯ ನಂಗೆ. ನೀವೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಒಂದೆರಡು ನಿಮಿಷ ತಾನೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ರಿತಿಶಾ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್? ಸಖತ್ ಹಾಟ್ ಮಗ ಅನ್ಬೇಕಂತ 2 ಅಡಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಿವಿ ಕಿತ್ತೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್. ಕೇಳಿಸಿಲ್ವಾ? ತಮಾಷೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಸೂಪರ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್. ಇಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೊಬ್ಬ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಂಡಿಕೇಶನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ, ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಈಗ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅವನೇ ಕಳ್ದವ. ಏನ್ರಿ ಜನ ಒಬ್ಬನು ನಮ್ಮಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ 5 ನಿಮಿಷಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಎಸ್ಕೇಪ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾರು ನೋಡ್ರು, ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರು, ನಾವು ಓಡೋದ್ರ ನೋಡ್ರು. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಯು ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್? ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಕುಡ್ ಯು ಕಮ್ ಆನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್? So, these are the finalists and 2 names will be announced. And ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಶೋ ಆಗಲಿ, ಅದು ರಿಯಾಲಿಟಿ ಆಗಲಿ, ಆನ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಮಾಲ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಫ್ಯಾಷನ್. Now I would like to call upon stage Miss Rukmini, one of our judges. She has some announcements to make. Keep fingers crossed.
So it was a very difficult decision. All the contestants were so good, so confident. their level of confidence, their attitude. We found a lot of, lightness between the contestants. And it was so confusing deciding who the winner was at the end of the evening that we actually had a small debate. We met a few of the contestants again. We had a small discussion. But at the end of the evening, we've found our winners. But just one small bit of advice, especially to all my contestants, all my little, students that I've taught past couple of days. I found, like, really from the bottom of my heart, like, all of you were equally good, equally amazing, and as I said, it takes a lot of courage to come up on this ramp, to come up on this stage and show the world what you are. So can I please have a huge round of applause for these amazing guys who actually came on stage and showed you their worth. So ladies and gentlemen, do I start with the boys or the girls? Boys! Okay, cool. May I request our judges to come up on the stage, please? And Miss Maitri, these three girls are the reason why the contestants look so good today, helping them out and assisting them. And Shriyut.
Clap, 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 clap.
Can I have my MC on stage? He's got a very smart mouth, I think smarter than mine. What is your opinion on the three?
Oh, I can tell my favorite, right?
Yes.
This man.
Shashank!
He has the attitude, and that doesn't mean you guys are bad, huh?
Okay, in the crowd, how many of you like Etisham? And Shriyut? Shashank?
Who do you think the winner would be? The loudest name wins. The youth says Shriyut. So who is actually the winner? So the winner is... You just shouted out, no, that's not the name. It's the most humble person amongst the guys. Who is it? Etisham. Congratulations, give a huge round of applause for Etisham. The humble human being is what his name means.
Speech.
Okay, about a week back is when Karthik, the guy who's organizing this place, called me up, and I really thought it was a hoax. I thought it was like an MTV Bakra or something, so I wasn't really going to show up. And then my friend said, no, let's just go. And then we met Rukmini that day, and I had no clue how to walk. I've never done this before, so it's like the first for me here. And I think in 3 days or so, she's transformed all of us, not just me. Of course, I'm sure everybody agrees with me here. But yeah, thanks a lot to her, and thank you so much, and thanks so much for the judges. Yeah, it's thanks a lot. Yeah, again.
Congrats once again, Etisham. And congrats, Shriyut. Congrats, Shashank, you made it to the top 3.
Congrats to all the guys over there, back there
Yes.
as well. You all were amazing.
Clap for yourselves, guys. Bring out that smile.
Thank you.
Move back.
So
And
young Etisham here is being naughty. He's like, Rukmini, tell me who's the winner. Who's going to stand next to me? At the end of the day with the girls, we had this small debate. All of them were so good. So the ones we shortlisted at the end of the day, can I call upon Candida? And there was some charm and personality in this young girl, and that would be Sushmita. There was something about her that we liked. Her attitude, her personality. She was very smart, elegant. And somebody else that we shortlisted was Shilpa. And Shilpa, comments? Comments,
Okay.
buddy?
now at least, let's figure out, will the loudest name win? Which name is it? Oh my God! How can you guys be wrong back to back? It's
Oh, Rukmini.
I just wish Rukmini could win when I win the contest.
High five.
So,
It's a secret, macha, Bailey.
Nishmita Shetty! A huge round of applause for Nishmita Shetty!
Thank you. I thank Rukmini for choreographing us, and she actually built my confidence. Actually was a little bit nervous the starting day I came. Actually I went to Big Bazaar store to pick up a water bottle, and then they called me to just participate in this, and finally now I'm selected and I'm very excited. Thank you.
पानी का बोतल ले लिया और दूसरों को पानी पिला दिया. कैसे लग रहा है भाई? Wow! Cool. Now, congratulations to everyone here. You're from Christu Jayanti. I'm an alumni of Christu Jayanti. Go ask them. Who is Sudesh? They'll say he was a... Oh, guy, bit rahe. Cool then, congratulations. You can walk back. So thanks a lot. And now you all can enjoy one final ramp walk by the winners. So winners, Nishmita and Etisham, the winners of Passionate Big Bazaar Box Style, get all of luck, and I hope they make it and also win the national finale scheduled to happen on the 4th of January 2014.
So this event was a big hit, and this event could not have been without the event being part